Wayne Monte began his career with Unilock in 1987. The company was at the beginning of what would be a decade-long period of rapid expansion, and Wayne would come to be a key player in these construction projects. He was the kind of guy who would do anything, happy to work anywhere he was needed for as long as it took to get the job done, because he loved Unilock. In the light of day, in the dark of night, in the heat, the cold, the rain or snow, no matter the conditions, Wayne was at work. No one worked harder. Wayne began working on plant construction in Ontario, but over his career he played a key role in the builds of 9 U.S. plants, including Chicago 2, 3, and 4, Ohio, Boston, New York 1 and 2, Elkhorn, and the Chicago wet cast remodel. In his time off, Wayne loved doing puzzles, and he saw plant equipment as pieces of a very large puzzle. In the evenings, he would take construction plans home and think about how to best fit the pieces together, creating in his head a work plan for the following day. Once a new plant was commissioned, Wayne would help train operators. Part of Wayne's legend is that at one point he ran the Chicago plant all by himself, although this experiment was quickly halted due to safety concerns. It's said that nothing motivated Wayne more than the challenge of tackling something others thought was impossible. When someone told Wayne, "There's no way you can do that," he would just give you that look, light up a cigarette, smile, and say, "Watch me." Wayne was loved by many and will always be remembered as a Unilock legend.